YM Mobility, a 2011 built giant, 305 meters long, 40 meters wide, a Liberian flagged vessel, insured under Britannia Club. On the 9th of August, 2024, Ningbo, China, the temperature soared to 39 degrees Celsius, 1 degree above danger. A refrigerated container was loaded on board, but it was never connected to power. Inside, TPBP, tert-butyl peroxybenzoate, a highly unstable organic peroxide. At 38 degrees, it begins to break down. At 39, it becomes a ticking time bomb. 13:30 hours, the crew sees smoke. 13:46, smoke mixes with air. The atmosphere turns explosive. And then, it happens. A blast tears through the ship. Steel twisted, deck destroyed, cargo lost. The damage? $12.5 million, 90 million yuan. A general average declared. All cargo owners asked to share the loss. Why did it happen? Wrong container practices. Cargo not declared. Poor risk analysis. A gap in IMDG compliance. Extreme weather. But disasters teach lessons. Never load TPBP in a disconnected container. Verify hazardous cargo in every stowage plan. Train crews to recognize danger early. Enforce IMDG rules without compromise. Digitally monitor all reefer containers. This was the YM Mobility incident. It could happen on any ship, but it doesn't have to. Train your crew. Protect your vessel. Save millions. Contact us today for crew training and share this video to build awareness across the maritime industry.